good morning, welcome back guys to another video. So guys, as you can see, I'm on the road now, guys. Yes guys, I'm heading out today. I'm going to purchase a washing machine, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna take along with me on that journey, guys. But tired is it? I know up and down with the other for morning. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna take along with me as I stay on the journey, guys. So please do give the video a like, guys, and if you haven't already subscribed, guys, please to do so. Yeah guys, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so whenever times the girl drop a video, guys, you will get notified. So with that being said, guys, whoa guys, I'm at the main heading towards the bus stop, you know, guys. Yeah, me and my daughter on the road, guys. Yeah guys, I'm in the store right now. Yeah. Check the store, see if this is what you like, and your purchase today, guys. So see you. No. Yeah guys, this is the machine I look on. I'm gonna purchase for 1 year. Oh. You know, shut up, I think that. Sure? Guys, this one is so hot.
China Express. Di mag-farmers din?
You know what I mean? Give me some key, I mean, I'll get the rest of the tours or
This is the herbal month.
Friends, so I can see.
Kumain siya?
No,
Wait.
but they are 2 yard ability on my bar. Then keep big sit now.
Hey guys, good morning. Guys, welcome back, guys. Yeah guys, me sample the machine, it you know, wash so good so far. Yeah, these are the grandbaby's clothes, guys. Yeah guys, the grandbaby clothes, they may wash, you know. So happy me have it, you know. When you have a machine at home, you know guys, instead of your hand wash, and you know sometimes you come in from work in the night time, you know, you would easy well just throw your clothes in there, meanwhile the clothes are washed, you there do something else. Yeah guys, so then just go and stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back, guys. Hey guys, welcome back, guys. This morning Mama got the bath and I was saying before, yeah, Mama got the bath this morning and do some other little stuff. But before that, guys, me gonna do breakfast. Yeah, come, we're going. Yeah guys, I'm gonna be doing some breakfast, some sardine, bread, maybe might make some porridge. Not sure yet guys, but guys just stick and stay guys for that.
Number 5046. Please proceed to counter A2.
Yeah guys, check him out guys. Yeah, Mr. Tasty and buy a patty guys. You can look and see how the place looking overcast. Rain already fall and it look like the rain gonna fall again guys. So because I take the time, I walk around now guys. The rain look like it a go bust when it if it decides to say alright it a go fall. You understand guys, so I take my time, I walk around guys. So this is where guys I'm gonna end the vlog. Well, I'm not gonna say vlog, it's been a few days guys, so just give the video a like guys, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and don't forget guys to turn on your post notification so whenever time guys I drop a video guys you will get notified. So guys, so thanks for tuning in and seeing me guys.